Hello!
Hi guys, how you doing? We're Natalia and Agustin, and today we're gonna give you 5 tips to take your dance from here to here.
Tip number 1. Match the music intention.
The intention of the music is gonna change through the years. The music is trying to tell you something. So for example, in this scene of Titanic, if the guy decided to put a tango, he's probably not gonna choose this type of tango. He's probably not gonna choose this either. And probably this one matches a little more. In our case, the DJ is gonna put the scene for us, so we have to match that. So when you're matching the song, everything that it's in the scene, you, your partner, the music, everything is going to be telling one single intention. You can be in a pause for like a musical phrase or 2 phrases. It's going to look fantastic, it's going to be amazing because you're showing a feeling, you're not showing emotion.
Tip number 2. Dance the music ideas.
In every musical idea, you're going to find a change of mood. You will have confronting ideas, with the energy is going to be confronting. Matching that is going to enhance your dance in a way that you will never think about. And that is what we love. We love when tiny little things like this can make a huge impact in the dance, rather than trying to make a huge impact and messing it up. We have a video that explains this and shows how similar the musical ideas are through the music and how we can start to show this contrast.
Tip number 3. Dance the musical phrases.
If you can start saying something and then continue saying another thing, to then tell another thing, that's gonna make your dance much more interesting. Making comas make the person reflect on what you were saying. You have the time to get together, to commute, you feel like, yeah, we're together, it's like, oh, and you start something else.
Tip number 4. Do what you feel, not what you have to do.
There's an inflection point between focusing on movements and focusing on the feelings of what is the music trying to say. So then you're not trying to fit whatever you know to the music. The music is guiding you on what you have to do. If you hear to a certain song, for example, probably your body will go like this. Yeah, nice. You're not gonna go like this. This is like a rock, like pa ta 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 ta. Yeah. I love that music, I love that answer. It's gonna bring these emotions into your body. That if I change to this one, yeah, bah, yeah, it's not gonna make sense. So this type of music is gonna vibe you in different ways. You cannot do the same motions, you cannot do the same qualities. Something has to change.
And tip number 5.
It's about getting closer to the qualities of the music. Every single beat has 4 qualities. It's the intensity, it's the duration, it's the pitch, if it's lower in the key or higher in the key, and it's the type of instrument. You can make all those qualities a quality of movement. The closer you get to these qualities, the more it's gonna sound that the music is your sound effect. So all of a sudden, the connection between the music and the dancer is not just the metric part, it's also the quality of that particular beat. The more you can put the quality of the sound into your motion, the more it's gonna look like the music and you are fitting together. The music is supporting your movement, it's giving more power, it's putting a sound effect. example, many times we hear a super known song like Poema. Everybody can sing that violin anywhere they are. They are in the shower. Everybody hears the violin. Everybody gets drawn into the violin. And the violin is doing. Why are we doing 5 steps? With just one, but in the particular tempo of that violin, you can match what is happening with that violin. You have a ta and the person taka 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 taka. Yeah, that's not gonna match the violin. That's gonna match the bass. And actually, in this particular case, the bass is not doing anything by just a regular tempo. If you can try to match at least the notes that are in the violin, you can skip a few, but every time you hit one note that it's in the violin, try to do it with the quality of that note. So if the note is stretched, if the note is long, try to make your transfer and take the time as the music is taking the time to change to another note. Okay guys, we hope you will enjoy this video. If you like, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button, and we're gonna keep on sharing these videos to make your dance, our dance, everybody's dance a little more to take it to another level, trying to show trips that we are all the time focusing on, trying to share what we have discovered, try to share anything that can inspire you to keep on growing this. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Yeah, bye bye.